Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick review of the USB charging nose and ear hair trimmer, a must-have grooming tool for every man. If you're tired of messing around with old scissors or bulky trimmers, this mini compact device might just be what you need. Let's dive in. Design and portability. First off, the design. This trimmer is super sleek and portable, perfect for travel or keeping in your bathroom drawer. It's small, lightweight, and fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver around those tricky nose and ear hairs. Performance and usage. The trimming head is sharp and precise, providing a quick and clean trim without pulling or pulling. It's designed specifically for nose and ear hair, so it's gentle and effective. Plus, the quick charging feature means you can get ready in no time. Just a short charge gives you plenty of usage. Power and charging. Speaking of charging, it uses USB charging, which is super convenient. No need for batteries or charging docks. Just plug it into your laptop or power bank. The battery life is impressive, and it charges quickly, so you're never left without your grooming tool. Buy link description. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grooming tips and reviews. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.